Sockeye salmon swim towards Alaska, then travel 150 miles upstream to reach their spawning pools, solely to complete the most magnificent and final journey of their lives. This trip is fraught with dangers. Bears have long awaited by the river, anticipating their annual feast. They create splashes to disorient the salmon and then capture them easily. An adult bear can eat up to 40 fish in a day. Further upstream, they arrive at Lake Iliamna, where freshwater seals are already waiting. They lurk at the bottom of the lake, waiting for the salmon to swim right into their trap. And for every salmon that's taken, thousands get through. They have at last reached their spawning pool, then mate. It's the only time they will ever do so. Then they die. They've given everything to complete this epic migration, including sacrifice themselves.